I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. I know everybody begs for subscribers. Nobody ever subscribes. What can you do? But I'm trying to get to 100,000. Help me out if you want to. If you don't, that's okay too. I'm going to be clicking on the software update, ready to install thing, and we'll see how long it takes. We're at 1010, 62%. There we go. Hopefully I don't have to deal with shutting off the camera for a bunch of things popping up on the screen. Software update 10. What are we at? We are October, I think we're October 11th, October 14th, I don't know. We're somewhere. So we're going to do the install, press the install button. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, all that cool stuff that nobody does. All right, here we go. What did I say, 1010, 62%? So I'm surprised I'm getting an update today. Wow, why did the screen go black? The screen just totally went black, and that never... Oh, this is weird. Now you're seeing the reflection of the camera. This is very odd. What's going on there? We're already booting up. We're booting up already. Very, very odd. That was a really quick update. I don't think this is going to take more than a couple minutes at the most for the October update. Is this the October update? I didn't get an update during one of these things, so I don't know what's going on with the update pattern. Now we're slowing down a little bit. I'm missing one. If you check out my videos, I'm sure you don't care, but 1 month was missing. Was it September? August? I don't know. So now we're slowing down just a little bit. Yeah, it's really incredible. I know my content isn't the greatest, but I see these people. Somebody put a video on, walk through my house with me, and the guy had 2.5 million views within a couple hours. I'm thinking, man, this guy must be pulling in $1 million a year off the tube. Ah, boy, if I had $1 million a year off the tube, the stuff I'd be doing, I swear I'd be donating. Well, I would be donating. I'd be donating and using the money for really good causes, because what the heck do you need money for in life? All you need is food. You need a place to live, and you need food. And some basic necessities. After that, you don't need a $14 million house. You don't need fancy cars. You don't need all... You need a house, a nice computer, a cell phone, food, health. What else do you really need? So, yeah, if I had all that money, I certainly wouldn't have any use for it. I would put it to good causes. I'm sure a lot of people would say, sure you would. And a lot of people probably would waste it on so much garbage. But when you're living, you really only need just simple things to enjoy life. I'm not a traveler. I don't travel a lot. I don't vacation. Going on vacation, traveling is one of the fastest ways to make all your money disappear. A lot of people retire, or a lot of people are very rich and they travel, and that money just disappears. You go out and spend it, go on a trip, $10,000 gone overnight, or gone in a week. So, yeah, and I'm not a traveler. I don't need expensive cars. I don't need lots of fancy stuff. I don't eat lots of garbage, so I don't buy fancy foods. And then after that, you just got to have some food to buy some clothes, food to buy clothes, money to buy clothes, money to buy food. My dog, I buy her really healthy dog food and good chew bones. And after that, I don't know, the money just would sit in the bank. So I would love to have 100,000 subscribers. I'm just rambling why this is taking off. I don't know why it's taken so long. Love to have 100,000 subscribers. I'd love to have like millions of views at a time. Get all that money coming in. I can't even imagine the stuff that I would do. I don't know. When I look at these rich people, really rich people that are doing good stuff like with vaccines and traveling to other countries and trying to set up schools and teach them. When you've got that much money, that's the way to go. Or you do it in your own country. You do it wherever you want. But and then there are other people that are flying spaceships up into the sky for celebrity status to look really cool, calling themselves astronauts. because they went up in the sky a few miles. I don't know. I don't get it. Definitely not who I am. So this is going to be a quick one. I don't know how long it's going to take to do the optimizing part. Oh, come on. Doing this in 4K. I figured let's take a really simple video and turn it into a 10 gigabyte file that will take YouTube 2 days to process. That's the thing about these 4K things. You upload them, 360, 480 within about a short amount of time. 720 takes 12 hours. 1080 takes 24 hours. 4K takes a day and a half, 2 days. It's ridiculous. So this is going to take me forever. It's going to take YouTube forever to pop this to 4K. And who's going to be watching an update like this in 4K? Maybe that's why I don't have lots of viewers. Maybe that's why I can't get to 100,000 subscribers. Because nobody wants to watch this stuff. I'm not cool. I'm just not cool. Am I cool? Nah. You don't have to lie. What did I say? 1010? We're now at 1017. The screen just went dark. I don't know why. This is a really strange update. Why did the screen go dark? There, okay, so the screen came back up. So we started at 1010. We've used 2% and we've gone, it's dark, blanked out again. Very, very weird. Really weird. And I shouldn't have to hit the screen, but I'm going to hit it. Okay, let's see what happens. We're finishing up the update. Very, very odd. And then usually after this finishing thing goes through, then you get that screen, or you have to go to the screen in the About section saying that it's you're up to date. Checking for new tips. Let's get rid of that checking for new tips. Now we're updating some alert. I don't know what the heck that is. It's just doing a bunch of stuff to annoy me. Android system. What would you do if you had $1 million? What would you do if you had 100,000 subscribers? Does anybody watch my my videos? Does anybody watch the videos on the channel that has 100,000 subscribers? Do celebrities watch my videos? Is anybody famous out there? Do you watch my cool stuff and say, this guy is a loser? I don't know. I get a lot of people that write to me saying I sound like a few people out there. A few famous people. There, it just went blank again. This is just a strange update. We're at 59, so we started at 1010. We're 9 minutes in, 3% power. The update's done, but the update is not done. And I'm going to show you why. Oh, come on. We're going to do the About. I'm going to get rid of that. Software information. Android security patch, October 1st. Is that it? Are we up to date? I don't know. Android security patch. Well, it's got to be October 1st because we are definitely not in November, so I guess we're done. Are we done? October 1st. Software update. That's what I was waiting for. Thanks for watching, people. You were all upset. You were all set. Well, I can't even talk tonight. You were all upset. You were all set. 59, 66. So 3% took 10 minutes. Did anybody get to the end of this video? Let me know. I have no idea if anybody got here. Thanks for watching. See you next month or in 3 weeks.